Hello, my name is Kevin, and I got a new bunny. His name is Oreo. Now let's take a look there. Oreo. My bunny Oreo. Look, he's in the corner. His name is Oreo. He's a boy. I don't know how old he is. I don't know how old he is because I got this from my uncle. As a surprise. He took over. He's a cute little bunny. And so this is my bunny Oreo. Goodbye.